In this video, we are going to be analysing AVCT. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels if we continue this downtrend? So as of right now, we don't have any statistical deviation levels because we can see this stock has been in such a strong downtrend. I mean, we went from near $50 down to $2. So really, on a statistical basis, we can't give any support. So the only things we would be focusing on is that 52-week low, so at $2, also a key psychological level. If we break that, we'll be paying attention to really $1.50, $1, and then the 50 cents and 25. But really, it's just going to be key psychological levels. I mean, that's what we can really do when you're breaking down to all-time lows. Now, one thing I do want to note with AVCT is you can see here it did have a 1-for-15 split. When a stock does this, this is usually never a good sign because the only reason they do these reverse splits is just to be able to stay listed because they have to be above $1. So seeing a stock reverse split, it does just indicate more likely than not this stock will most likely continue down. So do take that into account if you're buying this stock. If you're trading it, fine, but obviously investing in it probably not the best idea because it is most likely fundamentally weak. Now though, onto the resistance side, if you are looking for the upside targets, we would be paying attention to $5. Breaking through there would be $7.85, and what we can see as well is these statistical deviation levels line up very close to basically these previous peaks. The 785 very close to the pump in about early last month or 2 months ago, and then the one from last month as well to around the $5 resistance. So we're seeing these levels definitely hold. Now if we break through that, we'd be looking at 1030, 1550, going further 1875, and then final levels at $20.75, $30, and a final one at $41. Now, on a fundamental basis, this stock will probably not pump past the $5 mark. So if it's going past there, obviously do be cautious, be locking in profits in the way because more likely than not, it will be moving on a pump. And you'll probably see what's basically happened in these two moves here. You get a quick move to the upside and then just a fade to the downside. So do be careful if you are buying this stock long because again, it is a fundamentally weak company, or at least I would assume. I haven't gone through the fundamentals, but any stock that falls off this hard, there is going to be a reason for that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.